everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to transfer airtime on AirtelTigo. So if you're on AirtelTigo and you're wondering how to transfer airtime, from one AirtelTigo SIM to another, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, open your dialer and dial the USSD code *100#. So dial this code *100#. So from the menu select to transfer airtime. Enter the recipient number, the number you are trying to send the airtime to. So enter the number. So let me enter in any number that I can think of. Done. Then you enter the amount of airtime that you want to send. Maybe one city. So confirm. Make sure the number that you are trying to send to is the same number. So confirm. So let's want to confirm. That's it. So this is how easy and simple it is to transfer airtime from one AirtelTigo line to another. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to use the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like, and also comment. See you in the next video.